How to unlike story and reels on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to unlike story and reels on Facebook. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Facebook app on a device. Sign in to your account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen and choose setting and privacy option. Then select setting option. Scroll down and look for the option of activity log. Choose the option and here you need to select your Facebook activity. Tap manage comments and reactions and here you need to tap on filters and select the categories and then choose likes and reactions. Now you need to locate particular story and reels that you have liked and then select the three dots next to it. Tap on unlike and in this way you will successfully unlike a story and reels on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.